Look at my aloe vera is growing really big, like so much now. It was really small. If you've watched my vlog for when I planted this aloe vera, it was really small. Now everything is big, like it's grown up. Alright guys, so how are you guys doing? For me, I'm beautiful. I'm just standing at the balcony of my apartment and I'm just feeling myself here. Okay, this door is opening. Come back here. Okay. Alright, so let me tell you guys what happened to me a day before yesterday with my cousin UK. I dropped them off to her father's place. You know, they just want to have holiday. Okay, so when we were coming back from my mom's place, I parked my car outside the gate. I didn't drive inside. So when we were inside, laughing, playing, eating, enjoying ourselves and all of that stuff, everything was going on smoothly and no problem. Anyway, it's not something to be scared of, so don't be scared. So when we came out and UK pranked me. The pranks, like my heart dropped like so much. It was a scare. It was a scare of my life. You know, so she was like, is it not here we parked? I was driving my car, you know, and my dad's car was inside the compound, parked inside, and she was like, Edith, is it not here we parked? And I'm like, yeah. She said, wow, the car is no more there. And if you see the way I picked ways, I just wanted to come and see if it was there or not. Now the reason why I believed her was that she has never pranked me before and she wasn't with camera. She just did that out of, you know, just saying so I'll be scared, and I was really scared. I stayed like this for like so freaking long. My heart was beating. But anyways, the car was parked outside. It was just a prank. I just remembered it right now and I was just laughing inside the room. So I came out to just tell you guys the story. It was you know, when you are pranking people and someone just prank you, like the prank was so freaking real because there was no camera at all to record it. And you need to see my reaction. I ran I ran out like a chicken with a neck cut off. You know how a chicken with a neck cut off runs? I was like, what the F? What the F? I just remember that story, so I just said, okay, let me go and just you guys and have you guys laughing too. Just like I laughed later on that I became over that, like over the fear. I was beating and you know, so I was over all of that and it was a thing of laughter. Everybody laughed at me because they said I'm the king of prank. I prank people a lot, so they're gonna prank me. Anyways, so my mom has gone back to Lagos and oops, I'm here. I'm not gonna be visiting her. She's not gonna be visiting me. Dope. So for now, I'm here doing my stuff all alone, just like I used to do it before. Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy this brief and very funny story. I don't know if I really said it the way it was, but it was really funny. Everybody was laughing. The way I reacted to that was hilarious. Alright guys, so we'll chat again. Bye guys. Make it roll. I've got a tweezers. You make it roll. I've got a tweezers. What up guys? Alright, so some evenings I actually love to come out of my house and sit down on this sorry, not on. It obviously can be on, right? Sit down beneath the tree and have fresh air, you know, some sweet cozy air coming, you know, through and forth, and enjoying it and having good thoughts. Very soon I'll get upstairs and start working. So that's why I'm here, and it's been all good. Thank you very much. Okay, that was a neighbor trying to kid with me. I've got tweezers. Love the view of the street. So covered. What up, people? Good morning. Good morning. Alright guys, so just preparing, going out. I just need to change my internet from the usual one I'm actually using. I want to use Entel. It's actually a Nigerian telecommunication stuff, so I want to try that one and see if it's gonna work better like the Spectranet I'm actually using, because the Spectranet is fast, it's okay, but of course it's not the same price. Entel is more cheaper, and according to them they say it's faster, so I just want to try it out and also see how it's gonna be. So I'm going out to get it. I'm gonna go get it and register it. I think it's just getting the SIM card and also buying the data. Like the data is something else. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. That's if you're in Nigeria, so you can also purchase, because they say the data is something else. It's something else, like meaning it is really much. You can get so much with just 1,000 naira, which is why I want to go and get it though. So when I'm there, or when I've purchased it and seen how it works, I'm gonna carry you guys along. Alright, so for now let me go. We're gonna be chatting again along the road. Alright. Okay, so I'm actually at the office. I told you guys after working from the 9, and I don't know if this stuff is clear though, but yo, I'm here. I'm actually on queue waiting for Ben to attend to me, so we can. I said to hear your voice in the Anyway, so I'm actually on queue waiting for Ben, so I'll be back to tell you guys all the details. Alright? What up guys? Good morning. Alright, so I couldn't show you guys the data I bought yesterday because it was a little bit dark and I was just carried away with the conversation, discussing about some stuff. So this is it. The process it took me to register this was just like registering of driver's license or national identity card. It took so much. I don't know why it took that much, but yeah, it didn't. After all the filling of the form and all of that stuff, it didn't take 15 minutes and the stuff was out. Alright, so this is Entel. Compared to the current internet stuff, whatever router or MiFi that I have here, this one is way cheap. This one is just like a Nigerian network provider, which has been sold out. I think that's why it's called Entel, because it was called Nitel before. So this is, it has 2 SIM. They gave me 2 SIM. So one of this carries 1 gigabyte. You can see the guy wrote it here, and this one carries 22 gigabytes. Man, it is so freaking much. Like if I should recharge my Etisalat, 1,000 naira would give me 1 gigabyte, but this one 1,000 naira, because I got the SIM and everything for 1,000 naira, and it gave me this 2 SIM and 22 gigabytes. You can see that, and this is gonna last me for like 2 weeks, I guess, or more. So why I've actually not used it is that I don't have a device to put it, to use it with. So I am going to be using it with my Spectranet, the little one. I have a MiFi, Spectranet, and a router. I was actually using the router all this while, but the former one I was using was the MiFi, which I've given it out to my mom, but she's actually not using it. She prefer using a mobile phone for internet and all that. So I asked her to bring it over to me so I can unlock it and use it with this Intel. I think if you're Nigerian and you're in Nigeria, you can as well just try this Intel. That's if you have so much to do with internet, just like I do. You can use it. Like, it's so cheap, like so affordable, you know. A woof. This is called a woof, like so much. Anyways, this is actually a bonus kind of promotion kind of thing, I think so, and this is gonna last for like 1 year. And you know, let me just enjoy that while it lasts. For buy 1,000 naira for 10 gigabytes. Now this 22 gig is actually because I'm just buying it for the first time. So the next time I'll have to buy the data, I'll have to buy 10 gigabytes for 1,000 naira, and that is so freaking much. If I should buy that with Spectranet, which I'm using, I think I'm gonna spend like 5,000 naira to get that, and this 22 gigabytes I will spend like let's say 10,000 naira to get that. I think so. Okay, but yeah, so that's it for okay, that's it for it. I just find out, my friend just told me about it, so I decided to just, you know, grab the opportunity while it lasts, you know. Even if it goes back to the normal stuff, I know it's going to be a little cheaper than Spectranet and all of that. But I tried the internet speed yesterday with a phone, and it was really fast. Like, it was so fast. So I'm sure gonna be using this. So if you're in Nigeria and you have so much to do with data, you can as well just try it. It is really fast, so fast. Intel. Okay, I got mine at Usetu, Kano Crescent at Usetu yesterday. I and my friend, and that's it. So if you want to get, you can go there and get yours. Well, that'll be it for this stuff. Because I said I was going to tell you all I was going to tell you guys all about it, and that's it. So we'll talk later. Bye guys.